Verma. I am 6 years old. My birthday is on 27th April. A few of my friends are Ariba, Zunaira and Hafsa. My father name is Manoj Singh Verma. My mother name is Shilpa Verma. My address is Begum Bazar, Telangana. Hyderabad, Telangana. My favorite food is dosa. My favorite cartoon is Shin Chan. My favorite fruit is